Peace and blessings, my loves. It's a beautiful day to go after your dreams, honey. It's a beautiful day to turn that struggle into your strength. If you are still standing, you can look up, you can get up, you can walk, talk, see, think, hear, smell, taste, and touch. Well, goddamn it, it is not over. So I'm going to need you to push, practice, and persevere on whatever that thing is that you've been working on. I need you to show up for yourself. I need you to show up for the people who are counting on you. I need you to constantly be in a state of attraction. You know, I need you to set positive intentions when you step out on this stage called life. I need you to fit in that workout, honey, so you can get that summer body all motherfucking year round, okay? This is 49 and fine, okay? I just wanted to say you have to practice. Even if you're good at something, still practice. Practice your elevator pitch. Practice your skills, a more positive mindset. You know, persevere through the pain. Push through the problems. You know, practice every single day and you will get good. I'm telling you, honey. I'm telling you. It's the reason you're still here. It's not over. But guess what? Guess what else? I'm starting a new podcast. I'm starting my first podcast, right? You've been telling me I should. I'm listening to your comments. I'm seeing the comments in the DMs. So Genevieve's Inspirations is coming to you soon, honey. Let me know what you would like to talk about. Send it in the comments. Send me a DM. Let me know. I got you. We're going to talk about relationships, self-love, business, branding, entrepreneurship. You name it, I'm going to talk about it. Leave it below. And I got you. Now do something your future self will thank you for. Well, love you.